Hello everyone, welcome to Life with Sunanda and Sandeep. So Valentine's week actually started for me from 7th February from Rose Day and honestly तब से ही surprises शुरू हो गए थे. That day around 12:30 I suddenly got a notification on my society app and I was like ये मैंने क्या order किया. थोड़ा सा डाउट था, थोड़ा सा एक्साइटमेंट भी. मैंने जैसे ही डोर खोला आई रिसीव द पैकेज एंड आई कुड ऑलरेडी फील कि ये संदीप का ही कुछ प्लान है. एंड लुक एट मी, आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड टू ओपन एवरीथिंग. सबसे पहले निकला एक क्यूट सा हार्ट शेप पिलो, देन रोजेस and a sweet little box. I was not sure even what was inside that box. मेरी खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं था. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हो, मैं बिल्कुल इतनी खुश थी. आई लव सरप्राइजेस. I was already on a call with him and I kept him showing everything. He just wanted to see the happiness in my eyes and trust me, that happiness was very real. I even gave him a flying kiss. So that's how our Valentine's week began. And like you can see, I was just holding this cute little pillow that he gave me. और मैंने तो मन ही बना लिया दैट मैं इसको अपने पास रख के सोऊंगी. उसके बाद बारी आई ये क्यूट लिटिल बॉक्स का. मैं सोच ही रही थी कि इस पे क्या हो सकता है एंड इट लुक्स सो क्यूट, लाइक यू कैन सी एंड सो नीटली पैक्ड. एंड आई फेल दिस इज माइट बी अ स्टार्टअप जो बहुत ही क्यूट क्यूट सामान बनाता होगा. और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो, मैंने पूरी जोर लगा दी अपने इसको खोलने के लिए एंड देन आई फाइनली फाउंड आउट दैट इट वाज सच अ क्यूट लिटिल कैंडल. And there it was, and there was also a essential oil. Oh my god, it smelled so good. And I love cute things, and the best part is somebody remembers that about me. और मैं मम्मी से बोल रही थी कि पता नहीं संदीप को कहाँ-कहाँ से ये सारी इतनी क्यूट चीज़ें दिख गई. एंड ऑब्वियसली किटकैट भी था बिकॉज़ स्वीटनेस तो ज़रूरी है ना.
You plus me, my favorite break.
उसके बाद then came my hyphen lip balm because I had been telling him again and again about this thing. I even gave him a flying kiss too. Then came 14th February. It was past midnight. I was not feeling very well. I had just come from work and was about to sleep, and again doorbell rang. This time no notification, just the bell. And I knew Sandeep ने कुछ plan किया है. मैं जल्दी से door खोलती हूँ and there was another surprise, everything in the prettiest pink tone. And I also had him on the call with me. एंड मैं उससे बोल रही थी कि ये तू क्या करते रहता है. एक बार 7th फेब को भी भेजा, उसके बाद अभी भी भेज रहा है. मुझे अच्छा तो लग रहा था बट मैं उसे ऐसे ही बोल रही थी. I started taking things out one by one. First chocolates, then a heart-shaped brownie. The heart-shaped brownie was too cute, like you can see. I really loved it. और मैं हर चीज़ उसको दिखा रही थी. And I could not get off my eyes from this brownie piece. It was so beautiful. फिर मैं उसको दिखा रही थी कि देख कैसा आया है. It is so lovely. और फिर मैं थोड़ा चीज़ी हो गई और मैंने उसको बोला तूने तो दिल ही जीत लिया है मेरा. Then the cookies and those cute Palmier cookies, so adorable. And then the Theobroma cookies, one of my favorite places. उसके बाद स्टिकर्स भी भेजे थे उसने एंड स्टिकर्स इतने प्यारे थे. मैं तो सोच रही थी कि मैं कहाँ कहाँ लगाऊं. एंड देयर वाज अ वैलेंटाइन कार्ड, सो क्यूट. The first bucket was empty, right? And then from the second one, I got a cake topper nikla, and then the cake, then a knife, and then I saw it. A beautiful blueberry cake. My heart literally danced seeing it. दूर होके भी he still makes sure I feel so close. We have always celebrated Valentine's Day in our own special way every single year. Later, he showed me how he was eating the samosa chaat and badam milk I had ordered for him because he always craves Indian food, and I quickly recorded that moment too. Because for us, it's not just about one day, it's about celebrating all the little days, all the tiny moments that become lifelong memories. I cut the cake while he was on call. I wanted him to see everything, the smile, the excitement, the happiness, my eyes. That's what matters to him the most. I even fed him virtually. Then I gave a little bite, and then I gave a bite to Mama, and of course, I had my share too. It was so yummy, I can't even explain. Even from miles away, we were celebrating together. I did not feel like I missed him because love doesn't feel distant when the effort is real. Love doesn't always need grand gestures. कभी कभी बस एक doorbell और एक surprise box ही काफी होता है. It was a reminder that even miles can't reduce effort. We may not always be in the same city, but we are always in the same moment. And when I opened the doors, I was not just opening packages, I was opening memories. Her rose, her chocolate, her cute note. It was not about the gift, it was about the thought behind it. We have always celebrated Valentine's in our own way, simple, real, and ours. Just choose each other again and again. Until next time, take care.